Get the best brows for your face.
If you want to learn how to get the best brow for your face shape, keep watching. We're going to take our pencil and we're going to hold the pencil from the corner of our nostril upward, and we're going to see where our brow should start. I'm going to place a little dot. I'm then going to move the pencil diagonally to find where my arch should be, and I'm going to dot. Next, I'm going to move the pencil right to the corner of my eye where the tail of my brow should end. I'm going to dot. I've now put in 3 dots here, here, and here. And this is my map for creating perfect brows. I'm going to trace from the first dot to the second dot, and I'm feathering a very delicate line. Brush that colour upwards into the rest of the brow. Where my brow should start here, I'm going to mimic the look of brow hairs by pressing a little further at the base of where the root of the hair would be, and then lifting up to the tip of the hair. And this creates a natural looking hair-like stroke to your brows. From my arch here, I'm drawing into the hair, following it along to my final dot. Brush through with my spoolie to blend the colour in. And this is the finished look. Try this technique at home and I promise you'll get your brows done really quickly and foolproof and perfect every time. If you don't already know me, my name's Katie. I'm a professional makeup artist, and if you liked this tip, follow me because I've got lots more to teach you.